Personalize a piece is very easy if you do the following. It's all about personality and your own style. You can choose whatever piece you want, but in this case, because you asked for it, we are giving you some tips to personalize a jacket. First, I recommend to use a denim jacket that is more easy to personalize. You can give it a twist. Remember that denim comes in different colors and textures, so you can put a lot of details on it. You can distress it, you can bleach it, you can put a sequin, infinite options. Choose the color and the base of the denim. You can choose the right material. In this case, I'm showing you this one because I love it. It's from the new collection. And you can put this kind of trimming in the collar, here in the shoulder or in the sleeve. So second, you need to choose the color and the materials of the piece. In this case, you can choose all kind of materials, sequins, buttons, trimming, pearls, hooks, a lot of things that you can find in the market. Patches as well, the patterns that you can put in different parts of the jacket. Have fun. I think it's very important to have fun designing and creating a new piece. Third, the pattern. So you have to choose the places where are you personalizing. So for example, I love to personalize the shoulders because the shoulders gives you a lot of presence and it gives you like the spotlight of the piece. So it's good to have badges or shoulder pads that gives you volume as well. In this case, we put the trimming here and in the collar, but you can also put it in the pocket or like this, put it here or here as well. You can play with it. For the stitching, you can do it by hand with thread. You can use also glue as well. There are some patches that comes with the heated glue as well. Also little stuff that are like little nails that you can also stitch it to the fabric. There are tons of ways to put different materials. For example, you can also play with the pattern of the piece. In this case, this jacket was very thought in design stage. So we think this jacket will be used as a jacket and as a vest. So we cut the pattern. You can cut the sleeve and add a zipper on it, so you can turn it into a vest or a sleeveless jacket. You can remove it. You can use also this sleeve as a glove to stylish, or just remove it and you have a vest. It's the same piece, only just adding this zipper and you have two pieces in one. What do you think? Leave your comment below. If you want to watch a masterclass in customization of pieces, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye, my muses.